In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to invite new members to your organization using the Apploye platform. First, go to the Members section in the sidebar. Once there, click on the Invite Member button. Now, enter the email address of the member you'd like to invite. You can also assign them to specific projects and teams here, though it's optional at this stage. Before sending invitations, here's something useful to know. You can add multiple employee email addresses at once when sending invitations. If you have a larger team, you can also upload a CSV file containing all your employees' email addresses. Apploye will automatically process the list and send invitations to everyone included. When you're ready, click Send Invitation to invite more members. Now let's look at the second method, sharing a joining link with your employees. Go back to the Members page and click on the Join Link button. A joining link will appear on your screen. Click Copy Link and share it with your team members so they can join your organization. If you want more control over how the link is used, you can create a new one. Click Generate New Link. Set your preferred expiry date for the link. Specify the maximum number of uses, great for limiting access. Click on Generate Link and your new link will be ready to share. Thank you again for choosing Apploye.